The YouTube landscape is changing. No longer is it dominated by personalities we recognize. A new breed of creators is emerging, faceless YouTubers. These creators are building massive audiences without ever showing their faces. This is a significant shift. There are a few types of faceless channels gaining traction. Some use animation to tell stories or explain concepts. Others utilize voiceovers with captivating visuals. A growing segment leverages AI to generate entire videos, from script to screen. This is just the beginning. The use of AI in content creation is a game changer. It allows anyone to create high-quality videos without needing expensive equipment or technical expertise. This has lowered the barrier to entry, leading to an explosion of faceless channels. This trend is only going to accelerate. The reasons behind the surge in faceless channels are multifold. One major factor is the appeal of anonymity. Many people are drawn to the idea of creating content without revealing their identity. This is especially true for those who are camera shy or value their privacy. Another key driver is the accessibility of powerful AI tools. These tools make it incredibly easy to produce professional-looking videos without needing any prior experience. From script writing and voiceover to video editing and animation, AI is transforming the content creation process. This democratization of content creation is empowering a new generation of YouTubers. This rise in faceless channels signifies a broader shift in content consumption. Audiences are becoming less fixated on the persona behind the content and more interested in the content itself. If the content is engaging, informative, or entertaining, viewers are less concerned with who is delivering it. This is a positive development for creativity and diversity on the platform. Anonymity offers many benefits for creators. It allows them to separate their personal and professional lives. They can experiment with different content styles without being tied to a particular image. This freedom fosters creativity and encourages experimentation. AI tools further amplify these advantages. They significantly reduce the time and resources required to create videos. This allows creators to focus on developing high-quality content. The use of AI also opens up new creative possibilities, enabling stunning visuals and immersive audio experiences that were previously unattainable for most individuals. This combination of anonymity and AI is breaking down barriers and leveling the playing field. It empowers individuals from all walks of life to share their passions and expertise with the world. The result is a more diverse and vibrant YouTube ecosystem. The success of faceless channels is not just theoretical, it's a reality. Numerous channels have amassed millions of subscribers and generate significant revenue, all without ever showing the face behind the brand. Take, for instance, the channel Brightside. With over 40 million subscribers, it offers a constant stream of fascinating facts and captivating stories, all brought to life through animation. Or consider Practical Psychology, a channel with over 10 million subscribers that delves into the complexities of the human mind using a combination of voiceover and stock footage. These examples highlight the immense potential of faceless channels. They demonstrate that with compelling content and strategic use of AI tools, anyone can achieve significant success on YouTube, regardless of their desire for on-camera fame. Section 5. Launching your own faceless channel, a step-by-step guide. Ready to jump on this growing trend? Starting your own faceless channel is more attainable than you might think. Here's a simplified guide to get you started. Choose your niche. What are you passionate about? What knowledge do you want to share? Identifying your niche is crucial for attracting a dedicated audience. Create high-quality content. Content is king. Whether it's animation, voiceover, or AI-generated videos, focus on delivering value and keeping your audience engaged. Optimize for search. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help your videos rank higher in search results and get discovered by more viewers. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media platforms. Engage with your audience in the comments section and collaborate with other creators to expand your reach. Section 6. Finding your niche. What will your channel be about? Choosing the right niche is paramount for Faceless channel success. It's not just about what interests you. It's about finding a sweet spot where your passion intersects with audience demand. Are you a history buff with a knack for storytelling? Consider a channel that animates historical events or unravels mysteries from the past. Passionate about personal finance? A Faceless channel offering financial tips and tricks through animated explainers could be your calling. Don't limit yourself to traditional categories. The beauty of YouTube is its vastness. Whether it's teaching coding through animated characters, exploring the cosmos through AI-generated visuals, or sharing delicious recipes with a captivating voiceover, the possibilities are endless. Section 7. AI tools for effortless content creation. One of the most significant advantages of running a Faceless channel is the ability to leverage AI tools to streamline content creation. These tools empower you to produce high-quality videos without needing extensive technical skills or expensive equipment. Need a script but struggling with writer's block? AI script writing tools can help you generate engaging storylines and compelling narratives. Want to add a professional voiceover without revealing your own voice? AI voice generators offer a vast library of natural-sounding voices in multiple languages and accents. For animation, AI-powered tools make it easier than ever to create eye-catching visuals, even if you have zero animation experience. And when it comes to editing your videos, AI can handle tasks like cutting clips, adding transitions, and even generating subtitles, freeing up your time to focus on the creative aspects of your content. Section 8. SEO and automation. The secret sauce to rapid growth. Creating great content is just the first step. Getting it seen is equally critical. This is where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes in. By optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords, you increase the likelihood of your videos appearing in YouTube search results. Think of it this way. When someone types "learn to code" or "best productivity hacks" into the YouTube search bar, you want your videos to be among the top results. Effective SEO makes this happen. Automation tools are your secret weapon for streamlining this process. These tools can help you identify trending keywords, schedule your videos for optimal visibility, and track your channel's performance, allowing you to work smarter, not harder. Section 9. Monetizing your Faceless empire. Once you've built a substantial audience, you can explore various monetization strategies to generate revenue from your Faceless channel. One popular method is through YouTube's Partner Program, which allows you to earn money from ads displayed on your videos. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative option. This involves partnering with brands and promoting their products or services in your videos. You earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Additionally, you can leverage your channel to sell your own products or services, such as ebooks, online courses, or merchandise. The key is to choose monetization methods that align with your content and provide value to your audience. Section 10. The future of content creation. AI takes the stage. The rise of Faceless channels is just a glimpse into the future of content creation, a future where AI plays an increasingly central role. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated tools that further blur the lines between human and machine-generated content. Imagine AI that can generate entire videos from scratch, complete with realistic visuals, compelling narratives, and even emotional depth. Or AI that can personalize content for individual viewers based on their interests and preferences, creating a truly immersive and engaging viewing experience. This future might seem distant, but it's closer than we think. As AI becomes more accessible and powerful, it will continue to empower creators of all skill levels and backgrounds, leading to a new era of content creation that is more diverse, innovative, and engaging than ever before.